What's going on, YouTube? Guess what? We won. We finally won a car. It's killing me, man. We got to go pick it up. Already paid for it. Careful with this door. I don't want to scuff up my paint. All right, so we are at the Copart yard. We got Tim with us again today. We got this sexy, sexy beast of a Corvette out here with us. And we are about to show you what we won. Let's go get it. Are you ready? Here she is. Not bad for just under $900. One owner, Carfax. How about that, ladies and gentlemen? So here she is. This is a one owner, donation, Carfax certified. It's been serviced very well its whole life. It's got brand new tires on it. It's got new tie rods. It's got a fresh alignment less than 1,200 miles ago. Fresh oil change less than 1,200 miles ago. Alignment less than 1,200 miles ago. You got front and rear air conditioning and heat. Very nice. Very, very nice. Now the only trick is does it run and drive? Like, reliably run and drive. I'd also be curious to see if the faceplate is with this. And I don't see the faceplate to the stereo. May have to go ask somebody about that. Oh well, not overly important. I can find one. We've got an ABS light and a brake light. You probably can't see it down there, but it's on. 170,000 miles, and that ABS light is probably on due to a recall for the ABS. So nice little console up here. Headliner's nice. I guess it's time to find out if the thing's going to run and drive, right? Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, I lied to you, and I want to apologize. I wanted to bring you guys on the very first trip in the van, and unfortunately I couldn't. Let's just say there were no problems. We had no problems with the van at all, and we got it home. But you know, for certain reasons, I was not able to record it. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take it. We have not been on the highway. We haven't gotten it up to any like real good speeds or anything. We're going to take it out and really just check this thing out for the first time with you guys. This will be our first time getting it out and really getting some speed on it and making sure there's no weird shakes or shimmies or noises or anything like that. It's been parked here. It's not leaking anything. So far, everything seems good to go. So let's take this badass minivan for a test drive. Oh, she fires right up, man. So the faceplate to the radio is missing, but from what Copart said, we can go back tomorrow and hopefully they'll be able to pull that out. Oh, it looks like those ABS lights went out, but there is a recall for some computer that controls the ABS. We've got a low tire light on right there. She runs so good. I hate buying cars because I really just want to keep them. Like, I want to keep everything. I really do. And I can tell you that it did absolutely great on the ride home. Shifts right on time. It doesn't pull at all. And look at that steering wheel, man. Look how straight that is. Beautiful. So what do you say we get her out on the highway? What do you think? Highway?
Yep.
Let's do it. All right, here we go. We're gonna get on this highway. Pedal to the metal. Solid. There's 60. And there's overdrive. Like it's nothing. Like butter. There we go. We are doing 65 now. I'm going to turn the cruise control on and make sure that all works. Set it. There you go. Foot off the brake, or foot off the brake. Foot off the gas. She seems solid, man. Let's have a look over here and see the speedometer real quick.
I'm impressed.
Yeah. Not bad at all. Well, there you go. We got this bad boy for just under 900 bucks. Like 800 and I don't know, $898 or something out the door. What do you think? You think we got a good deal on this van? Comment below. Give the video a thumbs up. Let us know you think it was a good deal. Let's get back home. Okay, so that's going to be it for today's video. The main thing is we won something. And now it's getting dark. We took it out on a pretty nice drive. We've driven it about 30 miles now, and all seems well with the world. We checked the fluids. Transmission fluid does look to be a little on the concerning side. I mentioned that in a previous video that I wasn't really happy with how dark the transmission fluid was. But I think we're going to go ahead and do a transmission service on this just to be safe. We'll do a transmission filter, pan gasket, fluid, of course, and maybe throw a container of Lucas in there for good measure. And, you know, other than maybe a little bit of cleaning, I think it's good to go. The ABS light went off, the brake light went off. The only thing left is the tire pressure monitor. So we'll air up the tires and see if that goes off. What do you think? I think it's a $2,000, $2,500 van. That's what I think. I like it. I'm really happy with it. And as much as I know you guys love cliffhangers, we won another one. Yeah, kind of unexpected. I mean, I bid on it, so I expected it, but I didn't really expect to win it. We won a second car this week. So we've gone for God, it's been over a month, maybe even longer. Yeah, we got a second car coming, ladies and gentlemen. We got the valve block for the Mercedes in. So we got some videos for you guys. My brother, appreciate your help today.
Always.
He is going to be giving me a hand. We got a lot of work to do. We got a valve block to put on the Mercedes. We've got a transmission service to do to this van. And then we got to do a reveal. The next car that we're going to be bringing home in the very near future. So get ready, guys. I'm excited to be able to bring you some content. Goodness. Thank you to Weird Beard for allowing me to help him find these cars and, you know, play with them, get them cleaned up and everything. I'm thoroughly enjoying this. I hope you guys enjoy it too. Stay safe out there, everyone. We'll catch you very soon in the next one.